World League of American Football is coming soon, exclusively live, only to Screen Sport.
Hey, happy football Sunday. Hope you're enjoying the games. I got a strange one here. World League Football, Premier Edition, 1992. I don't know who's in this set, but I guess there are some wild cards that are numbered, perhaps? I don't know. It talks about it in the back. You can send them in. Might be a little too late to send them in, but let's see if we recognize any names on this list. David Archer. Ah, checklist. Mark Tucker. A wild card. Michael Proctor. Steve Bartolo. Melvin Patterson. Titus Dixon. Malcolm Frank. World Bowl champs. I'm sure we all remember that one. Louis Riddick. Rob White. Herb Welch. Sacramento Surge. Brent Peace. Dan Crossman. London Monarchs. Tim James of Ohio Glory. Well, that's an interesting pack. Happy Sunday.